I thought that all the girls knew this, but apparently they don't. I had a few clients ask me how I get my makeup not to look like this. And I told them and they were mind blown. They were like, duh, that makes sense. I don't know why we didn't think of that. I'm gonna tell you guys in case you didn't know. So the rule of thumb is that your foundation, primer, and moisturizer have the same exact base. If you're using a moisturizer that is oil-based and then you go in with a primer and a foundation that is water-based, obviously they're not going to like each other very much and that's not going to sit well on your skin. If you match all these bases, it's not going to crack like that ever. So how do you know if the product is water-based or silicone-based or oil-based or whatever? If you look at the first 4 ingredients, if one of them is water, that typically means that it's a base in that product. Let's say one of those words were dimethicone or anything ending with con or oxalane. That typically means that it is silicone-based. And the same applies for alcohol-based or oil-based. You're welcome very much. At the end of the video, I'll be putting the combinations on the screen so you guys can just get a screenshot. I also kept getting this question right here, and let me tell you, for oily skin, it is always best to have silicone-based products. For dry skin, you want water-based products, and for skin that is dry, oily sometimes also works great, like an oil-based product. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you guys want any other elaborations.